Creating an LLC typically involves filing paperwork and paying fees, but in some cases, you may be able to create one for free in certain states. Here's a concise guide. Choose your state. Determine where you want to form your LLC. Some states offer free LLC formation or have low-cost options. Name your LLC. Choose a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming rules. Ensure it includes LLC or limited liability company. Registered agent. Assign a registered agent who is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This could be you, a partner, or a registered agent service. Articles of organization. In some states, you can file articles of organization for free online or through your state Secretary of State website. Complete the required information, including your LLC's name, address, and registered agent details. Operating agreement. While not always required, it's advisable to create an operating agreement outlining your LLC's management and operational procedures. You can draft one yourself for free. EIN. Obtain an EIN from the IRS for free. This is necessary for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. File annual reports. Some states require LLCs to file annual reports, which may come with a fee. Be aware of these obligations in your state. Business licenses. Depending on your location and business type, you may need specific licenses or permits. Research your local requirements. Ongoing compliance. Ensure you meet ongoing compliance obligations, which may include paying annual fees, filing reports, and paying taxes.